And that's the fastball?
For now.
Robots doing the dirty work to make highways safer. Hello, I'm Paul Robbins.
And I'm Phil Cowan. Welcome to the next step in technology.
Coming up, find out how technology is making the most dangerous job on the road safer.
The automobile industry prides itself on designing safer cars. Airbags, anti-lock brakes, radial tires, all working to make your life safer behind the wheel.
But the next step in highway safety is for the maintenance people who work the highways. Our cars may never have been safer, but our roads have never been in greater need of repair. If you think it's tough keeping your driveway patched, imagine looking after the nation's 4.5 million miles of highway. The most dangerous job on the road isn't the highway patrol. Each year, more than 50 highway maintenance workers are injured or killed in the state of California alone. And so the next step in saving lives is to make machines to get workers out of the line of fire. Even a simple task like closing a lane creates a high-speed risk for a work crew. So you may soon spot this truck-mounted system for placing and retrieving cones on a highway near you. It's one of a dozen prototypes under development by the California Department of Transportation and engineers from the University of California at Davis's Advanced Highway Maintenance and Construction Technology Center. This smart herbicide applicator uses a vision-sensing computer to differentiate weeds from flowers and adjust the spray pattern accordingly. The goal is to cut herbicide use by 80% over the next 15 years.
We want to find the most dangerous jobs and address them first, and then we want to make them more efficient while we're doing that.
Hazardous waste spills are among highway workers' worst nightmares. The center is testing a series of robots that could do everything from assessing chemical threats to sealing roadway cracks to painting asphalt. They're all aimed at creating a safety zone between traffic and the task at hand. Picking up trash by the side of the road has always been done by hand, but now there's the debris removal vehicle, which was built by John Kalua. Hi, John.
Hi, Paul.
Going to show us how to run this thing?
No, you're going to run it.
I'm going to run it.
Well, anytime you're ready, we'll fire up.
You know, this is the first time I've ever driven something that goes beep, beep, beep when you back up.
Oh, you okay yet?
I got it.
Oh, well, go ahead, pick it up. What are you waiting for?
Okay, all right. The device can pick up 100 pounds of trash from either side of the vehicle. Once an operator is lined up, a single push of a button takes care of the rest. It's done. I'm ready for more trash.
Okay.
Getting workers off the pavement and safely inside vehicles means less exposure to wayward drivers, fewer starts and stops, and ultimately more miles of roads maintained. But what do you do when a mudslide or avalanche makes the situation too treacherous to work anywhere near the trouble? You break out the remote control. Using a radio controller joystick, an operator can maneuver this loader's hydraulic bucket arm without ever getting behind the wheel. The system can be used up to 250 feet away thanks to its cameras and a 3D imaging system. Its software can record and automate repetitive tasks like loading and unloading.
We have to dabble in electronics, in mechanical systems, with computers, programming robots, and also understanding the roadways and the tasks that the workers have to perform.
One of the toughest and time-consuming tasks is assessing bridges and overpasses for wear and tear.
We've been trying to find ways to inspect bridges and other structures in a safer manner, and that is to not get a worker out there actually doing the inspection. Paul Moeller's been developing this remotely operated aerobot for just that reason.
The electrically powered Aerobot uses computer stabilization to lift a video camera for close-ups of fatigued concrete and ironwork, keeping a worker from hanging over a roadway with lanes closed below.
By having a much more efficient maintenance operations, it means less time on the freeways on your way home, less congestion, less injuries and fatalities to the workers, which is ultimately very expensive.
Sensors and smart roads will also help one day to automate highway maintenance tasks. In the meantime, crews are happy just to get out of harm's way.